Are you debating whether to tackle gutter installation alone or hire a professional for gutters and gutter protection in Chesterfield, Indiana? Before making such a decision, you will need to know the pros and cons of do-it-yourself versus hiring a professional for gutters and gutter protection. DIY can be tempting, especially if you're on a budget. It gives you control over the project and seems to save money. You might have a sense of accomplishment in completing it yourself. However, installing gutters can be more complex and costly than it seems. It requires precise measurements, proper tools, and knowledge of proper drainage systems. Mistakes can lead to expensive repairs for your Madison County home. Hiring a professional brings expertise and efficiency to the table. They have the knowledge and experience to ensure your gutters are installed correctly with proper slope and alignment. It saves you time and stress and provides a high-quality installation. If you want a hassle-free experience and don't want to risk leaks, water damage, or costly repairs, you should call the professionals. Clemens Home Solutions is here for all your gutters and gutter protection services. Give us a call at 765-358-7535 for a free quote.